Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. In case if we want the confirmation email to be sent to the person who has created the sales order, then this checkbox can be sent. Similarly, what should be the default location that should be selected on the sales order? In case if we have selected something, it would be by default that particular location, but you will have the option to change it as required on the sales order. Any questions till now? No question. Apart from that, there is a commitment right. On the sales order, we have all those options. How many have been fulfilled? How many have been committed? Do you understand what is a commit or what is a commitment? For example, I have a sales order. On that there is an item and the order is for 10 items. 10 quantity. What will happen? And in my inventory there are 20 items. Whenever a sales order is created, what the system will do is it will commit that 10 quantity to that particular sales order. What it will do is it will say that even if there is 20 quantity available in my inventory, 10 is already committed. My in hand or the availability for sale is only 10. Do you understand now what is a commitment? Currently what is happening is here we have the commitment option. Whenever a particular item is entered on a sales order, what we want to commit, whether we want to commit available quantity. What that means is, for example, the sales order is for 10 quantity. Or complete quantity. Currently I have order for 10, but I only have 6 quantity. What it will do, it will not commit anything until and unless I have 10 in my inventory. And do not commit. What will happen is it will not commit anything. You will have to manually go and commit all the items when you want to do the fulfillment. Do you get these three options? Same is on the work order. Same is on the transfer order. Work order is nothing but for in case if I am using manufacturing module and if I am creating any work orders, what should be the commitment? Similarly, if I am transferring some items from one location to another, how should it commit? Whether it should complete available quantity, complete quantity, or it should not complete and commit anything. Similarly, in case if I am committing the available quantity, what should be the priority list? For example, it's whether it should be committed by transaction date or by order priority or expected ship date. Because there might be multiple orders that you have entered on a daily basis, or there might be multiple orders that you have entered. You can define the priority on how the commitment should happen, and whether the commitment should happen after the transaction has been entered, or in case if not, when the commitment should happen. That can be defined here. Similarly, picking and packing. This is generally for the item fulfillment. Whenever you do the fulfillment, what are the statuses? On the fulfillment, we saw that there are 3 statuses: pick, pack, ship. In case if we want to, you can say divide the fulfillment into 3 steps. Because there might be, you can say, a big warehouse. They might have different, you can say, sections for picking a particular item. For packing, you might have a different section. For shipping, you might have a different section. In case if you want to divide the fulfillment into 3 parts or 3 steps, you can define the statuses as well. And here you can define whether the big status should be known as big only or it should be known by any other name. You can define the statuses here. Similarly, whether you want to print the kit or kit items on the picking tickets. Picking tickets are nothing when you are nothing, but when you do the item fulfillment, you can print a picking ticket that the people or the employees can pick the required items accordingly. In case if you want to print the kit or not, kit items on the picking slips or not, whether the uncommitted items should be shown on the picking ticket or not, or whether the non-inventory items should be printed or not. These options can be defined here or preferences can be set here. Similarly, whenever you want to print the packing slip from the item fulfillment, whether it should show all the items or it should only show the unfulfilled items, that whenever you print it, it will show those items accordingly. Do you get this? Picking sheets or picking slips and packing slips are generated from the item fulfillment. They are nothing but the printouts that are generated from the item fulfillment. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.